Good morning, how are you? Good morning, how do you do? Good morning, classroom. Yes, good morning, sir. How are you? We are very good. How are you? I'm good. You may all sit down. There is a tortoise and other animals in the story of today. Then story goes one. Yeah, somebody say tortoise, somebody say an animal, somebody's what. Many of them. Okay, story. After the story, it's time up. Goodbye, why? Goodbye, why? It's time to go away. Goodbye. Dun, dun, dun. Jwale o tlo batla go tseba gona jwale re ithutile go bina kae? Re ithutetse go bina sekolong. Re ithuta ka tsona dintho tsa mofuta oo. O A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Nanzo, yeah, Cozy for life.